So I think that all this information together will very easily guide you for this patient to say 3C+. This is why I believe that for this patient, you might have 100% of agreement between you. If I give you this patient, I guess that all of you would classify 3C+. So a revision on the criteria to use: clinical imbalance, trunk and pelvis, trunk rotation. You can also use, if you want, but it's not a very, let's say, important criterion for me, rigidity, flexibility test. You can do, but it's not the most important. Okay? Radiological criteria, of course, Cobb angle, one, important, but also vertebra rotation.